Right, I'm going to show you the basics of making a web page in a few videos. So to get the general outline, I've used Notepad++, which you can find on K Computing portable software. I've opened a new page, and the very first thing I did was I went to Save As. I've made myself a special page, a special folder that I'm going to put all these files together in. Generally, it's good practice to call the first page index or home, and I've done a check. I've made sure it is type HTML that I've saved. Then what I've done is I've written the declaration at the top here, doctype HTML with an exclamation mark here. That tells the browser that the file will be an HTML file. Then what I have is in pairs, HTML, angle bracket, HTML, angle bracket, and then close that off. Then I have in pairs the head section, and all the styling will go in here, and the body section partnered up with its end tag, and anything I want to show on the page will show here. What I'll now do, I'll save, and if I go into my folder and I open that page, that's what it looks like. So I've added a little bit of styling now. Notice inside the head section is a style section, and what I do is I define or I label each section that I want to define some conditions on. Notice I name it. This says everything that is in the body section, so everything that's in here, and then I use curly bracket open, curly bracket close, finishes the information about this body section. And then for every property I tell it property colon, the value I want to give it, and a semicolon. I'm going to add another property. I'm going to change background color. Notice the American spelling of color. Colon. Hash. That's going to be yellow. Semicolon. So I've told it to color the writing one color and the background another color. I save. I refresh, and I realise I have spelt it wrong. Save, refresh.